Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, linear equations topic we are going to continue. In today's video, we are going to discuss some state level, nation level, previous Olympiad questions. So for whatever concepts we have discussed, based on that, in from past 10 years, whatever questions appeared in state level, nation level Olympiad exams, that questions we are going to discuss. Level 1 worksheet. First question. If x minus 5 by 2 minus x minus 5 by 3 equals to 1 by 2, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? So here we have 2, 5. Denominators here 2 is there, here 5 is there. LCM we can take it as 10. LCM we can take it as 10. 2 into 5, 10. 5 into x, 5x minus 2 into 5, 10. 5 into 5, 25. We can write here. Next, minus 5 into 2, 10. 2 into x, 2x. Because of minus, here middle symbol will change. It will become plus. 5 2 times 10. 2 into 3, 6. This will be the numerator and 10 will be the denominator. So 5x minus 2x. So it will become 3x minus 25 plus 6. It will become plus 19. Sorry, minus 19. Because minus 25 is bigger, minus 19 equals to right hand side we have 1 by 2. Right hand side we have 1 by 2. So now 10 will come this side. So what we can write? 3x minus 19 equals to 10 will go that side. It will become 10 by 2. Or 3x minus 19 equals to 2 5 times 10. We can write 5 here. 5 here. Plus 19 will come this side. 3x equals to 5 plus 19. 5 plus 19 how much? 24. 3x equals to 24. X equals to 24. This 3 will come down by 3. 3 8 times 24. 3 8 times 24. So what is the answer, children? C option 8 is the correct answer. C option 8 is the correct answer. Next. Which of the following values satisfies this equation? Means this equation is satisfied by which value of x? We have 4 options here, but which option is correct? That we have to find. So how to find? On both sides we have fractions. We can do cross multiplication. First numerator, second denominator. Second numerator, first denominator. We can do cross multiplication. 2 into 2x, 4x plus 2 into 1, 2 equals to 3 into 3x, 9x minus 3 into 1, 3. All x terms one side. Already we have 4x here. This plus x plus 9x. If it comes to LHS part, it will become minus 9x. Plus 2. Go to RHS part, it will become minus 2. Minus 9x plus 4x. Both are having opposite signs. So difference. Minus 9 plus 4 minus 5x equals to. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel. We can have 5x equals to 5. So x equal to 5. This 5 will go down. It will become denominator 5 by 5. 5 1 times 5. So this equation is satisfied for x equal to 1. X equal to 1. So A option is the correct answer. A option is the correct answer. Next. So third question. In an examination, a student was asked to find 3 by 14th of a certain number. Let it be x. 3 by 14th part of certain number x. Find out that 3 by 14th part. Like that a student was asked. By mistake, he found 3 by 4th of it. Instead of finding 3 by 14th part, by mistake he found 3 by 4th part of it. His answer was 150 more than the correct answer. 150 more than the correct answer. What was the number given? Means if the given number is x, instead of finding 3 by 14th part of x, instead of finding 3 by 14th part of x, what he found? He found 3 by 4 part of x. 3 by 4 part of x. And the answer was 150 more than the correct answer. This is the correct answer. This is the wrong answer. Wrong answer is 150 more than the correct answer. 150 more than the correct answer. Means indirectly what they have given? Indirectly they have given that this is a wrong answer. 3 by 4x minus 3 by 14x is the correct answer. Their difference is 150. Indirectly they have given this hint in the question. So with the hint we have to find the formula. So 4, 14. The LCM is 28. 4 12 times 28. 12 into 3 36. 4 7 times 28. 7 into 3 21x minus 14 2 times 28. 2 into 3 6x equal to 150. 21 minus 6 means 15x. So we can write it as 15x equal to 150. This 28 will go that side. It will become into 28. Now we want to find x. This 15 will come down. We can write it as 150 into 28 by 15. So 15 10 times 15. So 10 into 28 280. 280 is the correct answer. 280 is the correct answer. Next children. 2 by 3rd of a number means, let's say it x. 2 by 3rd of x when multiplied by 3 by 4th of the same number means again x. Means 2 by 3rd of x is multiplied by 3 by 4 of x, then it makes 338. What makes the product of 2 by 3rd x and 3 by 4th x? It makes 338. Then what is the number? What is x? Means 2 by 3 times of x into 3 by 4 times of x equals to 338. Equals to 338. Okay. Now we have to find. Here 3 cancel. 2 times 4. 2 times 4. Only 2 is remaining here. X into x square. We can write it as x square equal to 338 into 2. 338 into 2. Or x square equals to 2 8 times 16. 2 3 times 7. 2 3 times 6. 676. Or x square equal to 676. 676 can be written as 26 square. Because 25 into 25, 625. 26 into 26, 676. So square cancel. So x equal to 26. X equal to 26. So the number is 26. So next. Here 3 1 by x, 3 1 by x into 3 3 by 4 equals to 12 1 by 2. Then what about x value? Actually, this is a first mixed fraction. This is a second mixed fraction. This is the result, which is also a mixed fraction. So let's write them in terms of proper fractions. X into 3, 3x plus 1 by x. This is the first proper fraction. Second one, 4 3 times 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. 15 by 4. Here 2 to 12, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. 25 by 2. 25 by 2. So 3x plus 1 by x. 3x plus 1 by x. Let's keep it as it is. Let's keep it as it is. Remaining part will go to that side. Remaining part will go to that side. So here what we have? 25 by 2. If 15 by 4, if it goes that side, it will become reverse, reciprocal. 4 by 15. So 2 2 times 15. 5 5 times 25. 5 3 times 15. Okay. Here 3x plus 1 by x equals to 5 2 times 10 by 3 is remaining. 10 by 3 is remaining. Cross multiplication. First numerator, second denominator. 3 into 3x, 9x plus. So 1 into 3, 3 equals to x into 10, 10x. So here 9x is there, here 10x is there. 10x is more than 9x. Let's take 9x that side. Here 3 will remain equal to, so 10x minus 9x. So 3 equals to 10x minus 9x equal to 1x. So 3 equal to x, or x equal to 3. X equal to 3. So D option, x equal to 3 is the correct answer. X equal to 3 is the correct answer. Next, sixth question. The prices of a scooter and cycle are in the ratio 9:5. Are in the ratio 9:5. If the scooter costs rupees 4,200 more than a cycle, what is the price of the cycle? What is the price of the cycle? So the prices of a scooter and cycle ratio they have given. It is 9:5. If the scooter cost is 4,200 more than cycle, what is the price of the cycle that they are asking? Means let us assume because they are in the ratio 9:5, let us assume the price of scooter is 9x and price of cycle is 4x. 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x. Sorry, 9x minus 5x. They are telling that if the scooter costs 4,200 more than cycle, means 9x minus 5x, difference is 4,200. 9x minus 5x means 4x. Difference is 4,200. So then what about x? What about x? 4,200 by 4. So after cancellation, x equal to 4, 1 is 4, 2, 0 we will take 20, 4, 5 times 20, 0. X value is 1050. It is not cycle value, it is not scooter value. It is only x value. If you want to find scooter value, 9x we have to find. But they are asking the price of cycle, which is equal to 5x. So means cycle value 5x into means 5x. 5x means 5 into 1050. 5 into 1050. What is the answer? 5,250. A option. A option 5,250 is the correct answer. Next. When 75% of a number is added to 75. The result is the number again. What is the number? So observe carefully, children. 75% of a number means 75 by 100 of a number, let it be x. 75 by 100 into x is added to 75. Is added to 75. The result is 75 again. Means the result is x again. The result is x again. We have to find the number. We have to find the number. Okay. 75 by 100 means 25 3 times, 25 4 times. We can write it as 3x by 4. 3x by 4 plus 75 equals to x, or x will come this side, or x we can take on one side. X we can take on one side. So 3x by 4 plus x come this side, minus x equal to 75. So 4 into x minus, we can write it as 3x minus 4x whole by, we can multiply with this, and whole by we can keep, by 4 equals to 75. By 4 equals to 75. From minus 4x, 3x if we remove means it will become minus x. So 4 into 75, 300. 4 into 75, 300. 4 into 75, 300. So here we are getting the value minus 300 actually. Minus 300, sorry, plus 75 goes that side means minus 75. So it is minus 300. So minus minus cancel, x equal to 300. X equal to 300. So B option is the correct answer. B option, it is the correct answer. 1 minute, children. Next. A student has to secure 40% marks to pass. He got 30 marks and failed by 40 marks. So what is the maximum number of marks? So he has to secure 40% marks to pass, but he got only 30 marks and failed by 50 marks. Means for pass marks still he got 50 marks less. Means this 30 plus 50 if we add means it will become 40. This 30 plus 50 if we add means it will become 40% of the total marks. So then what is the number of marks? Because pass mark is 40%. How many he secured? 30 marks. Failed by how many marks? 50 marks. Means this 30 plus 50 together 80 marks will be considered as 40%. 80 marks will be considered as 40%. So 40% of x. If we take total marks as x, then 40% marks of x are equal to 30 plus 50. Or 40 by 100 means 0, 0, cancel. 4 by 10. 2 times, 2 5 times. We can write it as 2x by 5 equals to 30 plus 50, 80. So x we want to find. Right side we have 80. If 2 by 5 goes to right hand side, it will become its reciprocal 5 by 2. 240 times 80, 40 into 50, 200. So x equal to 200. So total marks are 200. Total marks are 200. Next children. So if the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 234, what is the smallest among them? What is the smallest among them? So sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. So we can take in 2 ways. If x is a even number, suppose if 2 is a even number, if we add plus 2, it will become 4. For 4, if we add plus 2, it will become 6. these three are consecutive even numbers. Means if we know the first even number, then the next even number is it's 2 more than first number, x plus 2. Next even number is 2 more than x plus 2, means x plus 2 plus 2, or we can write it as x plus 4. So we can take x plus 2, x plus 4, or sometimes for calculation purpose, what they will do, they will take x in the middle, right hand side x plus 2, left hand side x minus 2, they will take. These three will be three continuous even numbers. Now the sum is 234, means x minus 2 plus x plus 2. If we add, the sum is 234. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel, x plus x, 3x equal to 234. So then x equal to 234 by 3. 3 8 times 21, 2 remaining 24, 3 8 times, 3 7 times 21, 3 7 times 21, 2 remaining 24, 3 8 times 24. So B option, 78 is the right answer. 78 is the right answer. Next. Next line. Next question. 10th question. So 351 is divided in the ratio of 2:7. Means one part is equal to 2x, other part equal to 7x, like that, two parts. So find the product of two numbers. Find the product of two numbers. Find the product of two numbers. Means it is divided into two parts, 2:7. Means one part is 2x, other part is 7x. If we add both, it is equal to 351. 351. So then 9x equal to 351. So then what about x? X equal to 351 by 9. 351 by 9. Means 9 3s are 27. 8 will be remaining, 81. 9 times 81. So x value 39. Now they are asking what is the product of two numbers. What are two numbers? 2x into 7x. 2x into 7x. But what is x value? 39. 2 into 39 into 7 into x again 39. If you multiply all, the product will be the product will be 2 7 times 14. 14 into 14, 14. What is the product, children? Try to calculate. So how much? 14 into 39 into 39. So approximately, if we take B option, 21,294. 21,294. B option is the correct answer. Next. Next. 11th question. A boat goes downstream and covers the distance between two ports in 4 hours, while it covers the same distance upstream in 5 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour, what is the speed of boat in still water? What is the speed of boat in still water? Speed of boat in still water. Okay. Speed of boat we have to find. So here you have to remember the two words, downstream and upstream, because even for government exams, competitions also, these kind of questions will come in mathematical reasoning type of questions. These types of questions will come for bank exams. So be careful, children. Downstream, upstream, these two words are very, very important. Stream means, actually the meaning of stream is flow of water. Flow of water means if you are traveling in river, or if you are traveling in water, if the water flow is towards right side, you are also going towards right side, then it is called downstream. Means you are going along the stream. You are going along the stream. Or the water flow is towards right side and your direction is towards left side, then you are going against the stream. Against the stream, it is called upstream. So in which condition you can travel fast? In the same direction of water or in the opposite direction of water? In the same direction of water, you can travel fast. It will be easier for you. In less time, you can reach your destination. Because to your speed, the stream speed will be added up to your speed. Suppose your speed is x. Your speed is x. And the stream speed is 2. Their total speed will be x plus 2. For your speed, stream speed will be added. When you are when you are traveling along the water or downstream. When you are traveling against the water, you have to apply force to overcome that flow against the water. So then your speed will be decreased. Your speed will be decreased. So for your speed, that stream speed we have to minus. So your speed will be x minus 2. Here your speed will be x plus 2. Here your speed will be x minus 2. Okay. So here they are asking to find the speed of boat. Let it be x. In the upstream, its speed will become x plus 2. In the downstream, its speed will become, downstream x plus 2, upstream x minus 2. But while going downstream, the distance is same. While coming back upstream, the distance is same. The distance is same. Same distance they have traveled, but speeds are different and time taken by them is also different. First time they have taken, it has taken, during downstream it has taken 4 hours. During upstream it has taken 5 hours. Now let's apply the formula of speed to find the formula of speed to find the speed of boat. So what is the formula for speed? Speed equals to distance by time. Speed equals to distance by time. But here distance, speed equals to distance by time. But in both cases, distances are same. In both the cases, distances are same. So our distance equal to speed into time. Distance 1 equal to speed 1 into time 1. Distance 2 equal to speed 2 into time 2. But both are equal. But distance 1, distance 2 both are equal. So speed 1 into time 1. What is speed 1? What is first one? Downstream. Means x plus 2. Speed 1 into what is time? 4 hours equals to distance 2 means speed 2 upstream, x minus 2 into what is the time taken? 5 hours. 5 hours. 4 into x, 4x plus 4 2 times 8. So 5 into x, 5x minus 5 2 times 10. All x one side. 4x plus 5x come this side, minus 5x equals to minus 10 plus 8 will go that side, minus 8. So plus 5x minus x equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. X equal to 18. X equal to 18. What is x here, children? x is the speed of the boat. So speed of the boat is 18 kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat is 18 kilometer per hour. Like that we can guess. Next children. Next. If 2 by 3 of a number is 20 less than the original number, means 2 by 3 of a number means 2 by 3 of x is 20 less than original number x. Means for this number and for original number difference is 20. So then what is the number? Means 2 by 3. But which will be greater? Original number or 2 by 3 of a number? Original number will be greater. So we will write original number minus 2 by 3 of the original number. The difference equals to 20. 3 into x, 3x. 3x minus 2x by 3 equals to 20. So 3x minus 2x, x equal to 3 into 20, 60. So original number x equal to 60. A option is the right answer. A option is the right answer. Next. 13th. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, then the result is 5 less than 5 times the number. What is the number? So if 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, let us say it is x, then the result is 5 less than 5 times of that number. So here 10 added to 4 times of certain number. 4 times of certain number is 4x plus 10 is added. 10 is added. This is one condition. Then the result means equals to. Result is 5 less than 5 times of that number. 5 times of that number is 5x. 5 less than means minus 5. These two are equal according to the given question. According to the given question. Now we have to find x value. So all x one side. 4x. 5x will come this side. Minus 5x equals to minus 5 is here. Plus 10 goes that side. We can write it as minus 10. 4x minus 5x minus x equal to minus 10 minus 5 minus 15. Minus cancel. X equal to 15. So B option. X equal to 15 is the right answer. Next. So if a number increased by 8% of itself gives 135, what is the number? Let the number be x. If a number x is increased by 8% of itself, 8% of itself means 8 by 100x, then gives 135, then gives 135, then gives 135. X plus 8 by 100 into x equal to 135. So 2 times 8, 4 25s 100. So 25 into x, 25x plus 2 into x, 2x by 25 equals to 135. Equals to 135. 25 plus 2x, 27x equals to 135. This will go this side into 25, or x equal to 135 into 25 by 27. This 27 will come down. So 27 5 times 135. 5 into 25, 125. So x equal to 125 because 27 5 times 135. 5 into 25, 125. C option is the correct answer. 125. Okay. Okay, 125. Next. Next question. So by selling a bicycle for rupees 1885, a man gains 16%. By selling a bicycle for 1885, a man gains 16%. At what price did he buy the bicycle? At what price did he buy the bicycle? If we know the gain percentage, then we have formula for selling price. Selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So directly we can use this formula. Actually 1 plus z by 100 also we can write, or directly we can write like this. So then selling price equal to, so actually selling price they have given here 1885. He sold it for 1885. So 1885 equals to cost price we have to find, CP we have to find, 100 plus gain percentage how much? 16 by 100. 100 plus 16 by 100, or 1885 equals to cost price CP into 100 plus 16, 116 by 100. 116 by 100, or CP. If you want to find CP, this has to come this side. What we can write? CP equals to, this side we have 1885 into, if this comes this side, if this fraction comes towards left hand side, it will become reciprocal. 100 by 116. 100 by 116. 100 by 116. So if you do cancellation, the answer is 1625. 1625 will come. E option 1625 will come. Okay children, that's all for today. Remaining problems we can discuss later. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.